So another thing that we see in real estate for scams that happen to buyers more often than sellers is a wire phishing fraud scam. How do you protect a buyer in those situations?
This can be scary because you're sending large amounts of money generally in a real estate transaction, and you want to make sure it's actually going to the place where you're trying to send it. So, step one is the closing attorney should send you wiring instructions through some sort of secure channel, usually encrypted email or some sort of protected portal. That prevents somebody altering the wiring instructions as it's being sent from the attorney to you. Second step is you should always call the closing attorney to verify the wiring instructions on the phone. And Google the attorney's phone number. Don't trust the phone number that's actually on the wiring instructions because it could have been changed. So call a number that you've previously verified or that you can find through a third party.
So it doesn't hurt your feelings when somebody calls and says, I need to verify this before I send over my closing.
Absolutely not. We want you to verify it. We want to make sure that your money is getting to the right place. So you've received the wiring instructions in a secure manner. You've called and verified. The third thing is, if you ever get a message after that saying that the attorney has changed the wiring instructions or, oh, we need you to send it to a different account, very fast last minute change, that's always suspicious. And that's happened to one of our clients before. They got a message from somebody that it looked like it was from our office saying they changed wiring instructions. So always verify. The attorney shouldn't be changing wiring instructions like that.
Especially not last minute.
Right, not last minute, yeah. And then after you send your wire, it's not a bad idea to have the attorney confirm that they've received it.
Who's on the hook if a wiring spoof happens? Who has to pay for that issue?
I would say if the buyer didn't verify the wiring instructions, it's not the attorney's fault that they wired to a scammer. So everybody has a responsibility to make sure that fraud is not happening.